Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. In this video what I'm going to be doing is using a Google Chrome extension to access a new extension to access all the different categories on Netflix. So what I'm going to do now is do a search for the Google Web Store. So what I'm going to do here, actually it's going to be called the Chrome extensions. I'm going to do a search for, and what I'm looking to do is get into the Chrome Web Store, which is that first one here. Click on that and it will open up the Google Chrome Web Store. Now what I want to do is add an extension called Netflix categories. So I do type in there, do a search for Netflix categories, and what we're going to do is find the extension which will allow us to access all the different types of Netflix categories there are. The one I want is the one here by simkl.com. All Netflix categories. Click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension here, and what it will do, I'm going to click on cancel on that. I'm not going to turn on sync. Here in the top right hand corner of Google Chrome you can see that N there, the red N. Now what I'm going to do is open up my Netflix. This is my Netflix here, and then I'm going to go onto the N and I'm going to choose a category. So click on that one and some work. So this one will open up adventure, so you can see all the films that are adventure films there, so all in one category. Scroll down, alien sci-fi, there's 7 at the moment, 7 alien sci-fi films, and there are the alien sci-fi films that is brought back there. If I want to do another one, let's do action and adventure. Like I said, some categories work, some don't. Action and adventure, there are all the action and adventure films. It was a quick and easy video showing you how to access some hidden categories in Netflix using the Google Chrome extension called Netflix categories. I hope that video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.